Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to make triple crochet ribbing. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. I have already made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and hook that I'm using listed down below. I do have tutorials on single crochet ribbing, half double, and double crochet ribbing. I will have all of those listed down below. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the triple crochet stitch, and how to work in the back loops. I have tutorials on all of those as well. I will have them listed down below. For my test swatch, I have already made triple crochet ribbing down here in the body. You can see how it makes little ridges because we're going to be working in the back loops. Over here, I have already made 4 chains on my hook. So to go ahead and begin, I'm going to skip over this first stitch. I'm actually going to be working into the second stitch. Since we're working a triple crochet stitch, I'm going to wrap the yarn around my hook 2 times. I'm then going to start working triple crochet stitches into the back loops of all of these stitches on this row. So I'm going to start with the second stitch and I'm going to work into the back loop right here. And I'm going to make a triple crochet stitch like normal. Okay, and you would just continue this for the row. Make sure you're wrapping your hook only twice for your triple crochet stitches. And since we are working in the back loops, you can see that a little ridge is starting to form right here. That's going to be how that looks. You're just going to continue this until the end of the row, working triple crochet stitches into the back loops. And that is how that's going to look. You can see that it's very stretchy and that there's, those ridges because of the back loops, and the back looks exactly the same. So you're going to just repeat this row that we did for the desired length of your project. You're going to chain 4. You're then going to work triple crochet stitches into all of the back loops of the next row, and you would just repeat that. And that is going to be how to make triple crochet ribbing. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more from me. Please leave me any feedback down below on future videos that you would like to see. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Thank you guys so much for being here. Have a great day.